I am Dharanya Senthil Kumar, currently pursuing third year BTech CSBS at BSB Engineering College, Karur. Me, along with my teammates Manimali and Bhavadharani, has came up with a revolutionary idea, AI-powered emergency traffic management system. Imagine this, an ambulance is rushing to save the life and it is stuck in the traffic, and the traffic lights are not correspondingly supporting the emergency vehicles. Now imagine what if we could change this. What if we could come up with the tools to handle this kind of emergency situation and give the emergency vehicle the green light they need. Even though this kind of problems is already existing and the solutions are also already available, we are coming up with new ideas. The old traditional traffic management systems are totally based on GPS and RFID. GPS stands for Global Positioning System and RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. Now, in our idea, we are coming up with cameras with OpenCV that spots the emergency vehicles along with their flashlights or logos or even with their siren sounds, and the AI manages the traffic lights accordingly to the emergency vehicle to pass the traffic, and once the emergency vehicle passes the traffic, it normalizes back the traffic light so that other vehicles are not disturbed. Okay, now let's discuss the features of our project. Our project is applicable to all kind of emergency vehicles rather than being applicable for vehicles only with special equipments. It is built up with low cost hardware components like camera and low cost IoT devices. It uses AI to detect the emergency vehicles on real time and it also uses predictive analytics for avoiding the congestion of traffic vehicles. By concluding all the features which I have spoke, we can come to a conclusion that our project will help minimize the congestion over the traffic, and it also very affordable to any size of cities, and we can also say that it will reduce the delay of any emergency vehicles like ambulances and fire trucks. As we have already discussed, our project differs from the traditional one. Since the traditional one is based on GPS and RFID, ours is based on AI and computer vision. Unlike the rule-based system, ours is totally adaptive and predictive. For now, I am concluding that when our project is implemented, we can imagine a city where emergency vehicle never gets stuck in traffic, where traffic lights adapt in real time to keep everyone moving, where technology works silently in the background to make our city safer and smarter. That's the future where we are building our AI-powered emergency traffic management system.